Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to RTTI Talks again. And in this podcast, we have another student named Nihad. And today we're going to have a conversation with Nihad. So without further ado, let's get started. So Nihad, how are you today?
I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, and what's about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. So this is going to be a first video of you.
Yes,
and in this video, I'm going to talk about some basic question about daily hobbies and interest. So first of all, the first question is for you. Do you have any hobby?
Yes, I have hobby.
What is your hobby?
Traveling and reading books.
Why traveling and reading books is your hobby? There are many hobbies, you know.
Yes,
People
sir.
are doing a lot of things in their leisure time and when they are free. And where do you want to travel or read books?
Traveling is pleasure to me. When I travel, I take pleasures.
Okay, that's great.
Okay.
So traveling is it is called also source of information. It is also source of entertainment, source of enjoy. That when you travel, we get new environment, we get new information, new we watch actually new environment and new people and new culture, that we know many things. And it's like education, it's a great part of getting knowledge to dynamic environment, dynamic culture. And when you live in a society, you live in an environment, and you travel is another environment. Their environment, culture, and the genre something different. So you have the knowledge of diversity while you travel. So it's important. So why reading is your hobby, and how do you read, or how many books do you read per week or every single day, or do you read regularly?
No, I don't read regularly. Sometimes I like story books.
You like storybook. So what books have you finished reading last week?
Not plastic. Last I read a book like 6 months ago.
6 months ago.
Yes.
So if you read a book like 6 months ago, it doesn't mean that your hobby is reading.
I have no story books, so I don't read story books. Sometimes my sister carry books from his library, then I read this.
But you said your hobby is reading book. But
Yes.
your hobbies and your daily activities or your field activities, it doesn't actually match with the word. Okay, so no problem. What the next question is for you? Do you play football or cricket regularly?
No, I play football sometimes with my friends.
What is your favorite sports?
Football,
Football. Who is your favorite football player?
Neymar.
Neymar.
Yes,
You support Brazil.
yes, sir.
Why not Messi?
I don't like him.
What about Ronaldo?
He is also great player. I like this. I like Ronaldo also.
Do you know Mbappe and
Lamine Yamal.
Yamal?
Yes, Mbappe is like ugly type. He don't pass ball her players.
His
He
player.
want to goal alone.
Okay. So what about Bangladeshi player? How many players name do you know?
Only one.
Only one. Who is he?
Hamza Chaudhary.
Don't you know the Bangladeshi captain named Jamal Bhuiya? You don't know Jamal Bhuiya, but you like football.
Yes,
It's
I
like
don't
man.
like Bangladesh football team.
Okay, that's great. So do you watch movies?
Yeah, I watch movies sometimes
Sometimes. Okay, why do you watch movie? For entertaining or educational purpose?
for entertainment.
Entertain. But English movie is also helpful for getting expert in English, to learn English. Okay. The next question is for you. Do you listen music?
Yes,
What kind of music do you listen?
like romantic and sad.
One thing that's sad. That's great. Can you sing?
No, I can't.
You can sing. Do you try alone? Do you try to sing alone?
Yes, I tried alone.
Okay, so my question was something like that. Do you try to sing when you stay alone in your home, or you go to washroom, or do you a bathroom singer?
Yes, sir.
Just jokes apart. So, what is your career goal, or what is your aim in your life?
My aim in life is after complete my ICOM, then I want to go abroad for my study.
So it was an excellent conversation with you, and I wish you best of luck, and hope you will do good in your future, and you will be shining in your life. So thank you, Nihat,
Thanks.
for your time. So everyone, it was our conversation about some basic things to one of my student named Nihat, and Nihat is an excellent student. He is doing great. So that's all for today. See you in the next video with the next student. Tada.